In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually make up to $10,000 in a month using AI. Now, some of you might actually be wondering if this is ever possible. It's just AI. How can I be able to make this huge amount of money every month? Alright, so I would like you guys now to follow me through every single process I'm going to be taking. Now, we are going to be making use of what we call in-video AI. Wait, most of you must have heard about in-video AI. Now, in-video AI can actually do so many things. So, what is that particular thing that I can actually do with in-video AI that will make me earn up to $10,000 in a month? Now, we are going to be making use of in-video AI and YouTube. Alright, so we are just going to proceed. But before we continue, I'd like you guys to please subscribe to this channel and we proceed. Alright, so first, now let's take a look at other channels that has actually been doing something like this on YouTube. Now, take a look at this Factura. Factura has made 51 videos using in-video AI and they've gained about 108,000 subscribers. And if you should actually look at some of their videos, you see that it is actually doing well. Now, take a look at this. This is how chocolate is made. 11 million views 10 months ago. This is 8 months ago, 2 million views. So you see that Factura they're actually using in-video AI to make these videos, and then we are just going to see how we can do this and still gain the amount of money Factura is making. Now let's take a look at a new channel. Alright, so now this is actually Producta. This is a new channel. Now this channel just started yesterday, and then you see they've made 2 videos, and with time they're actually going to hit a good number of subscribers and views. So when you start something like this, which I'm going to be showing you through the process, you don't need to worry about if your viewers are going to come to watch your videos. But before your viewers can be able to watch your videos, first you need to be sure of what you are producing, if it's actually going viral, before you can be able to produce it. Alright, so now first let's think of what we want to produce. What do we want to produce now? Let's take, for instance, we want to produce chocolate. We want to produce chocolate because we saw that Factura actually produced chocolate here. So should that actually be our reason? No, that should not be our reason. But instead, we should go for other things that are actually trending, or if it is not trending, things that people would actually want to watch. In fact, everybody loves it. Now, if you look at chocolate, everybody loves chocolate. Everybody, almost everybody use chocolate every day. Then if you look at some other ones now, like cement, that of pencils, and so many others, you see that these are things people actually use almost every day. So that is why it is actually having a good number of views. Now if you look at this latex, people do not actually use this every day. It is actually rubber though, but you hardly find people who want to know about how latex is made. So I will actually advise, when you're actually trying to create a video or trying to pick a topic, it is better you go for things that people are really conversant with, that almost everybody knows about it. Alright, so let's say we want to actually make a video on how chocolate is made. Alright, so you can go well to search for in-video AI. After you've opened the in-video AI, then we are now going to be putting in our topic. Alright, so what you are going to do now is to come over to YouTube Explainer here. You click on YouTube Explainer. Now, we want it to create a video of, let's say, 5 minutes. Then let's give it a topic, how chocolate is made. We'll come over to background music. I prefer to use cool and piano. Then any voice. Alright, so I'll be using clear American voice. Subtitle, I can do well to add subtitle or not, but sometimes I just prefer not to add, so I'm not going to be adding any subtitle to this. And then when I'm done, I just click on continue, and then I can now generate my video. So it's actually going to take some time to generate the video. So while it's actually generating the video, you can also do well to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section if it is actually going smoothly. Alright, so after you've subscribed, you can now come back here to tap on continue. So this is now the process where it's going to generate or create the video completely for us. So we're just going to give it a little time. And you can also do well to check out this new channel, Producta, where they also upload in-video AI videos. Alright, so you can now give it some time for it to generate. So when it is done generating your video, this is just how it's going to be. Now if you see this, this is the time, just 4 seconds, which is approximately 5 minutes, and then you can actually play your video to check it out and
have you ever
see
wondered
how
how your
it
favorite
is
chocolate is made?
before you export it. So let's say maybe you want to actually edit it, or maybe at the end of the video you want InVideo AI to say something like, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, you come over to edit here. When you click on edit script right up here, you click on it. Now we'll scroll down to the last part. Good. You come here, you hold your shift and enter, it comes down, then you can now put in whatever you want. Please subscribe. Then here is actually going to be the image, so you can come here, tap on this, and then put in subscribe. Alright, then you can now apply the changes to this. So when it actually gets to that end, it's going to be like, please subscribe. So if you're actually enjoying this video, I'd like you guys to please still hit the subscribe button, and then let's continue. Alright, so when it is done with this, then you can now export your video and upload it on YouTube. Just so easy. So actually you can decide to be doing something like this every day. Maybe every morning when you wake up, when you're just trying to relax on your bed, you can simply quickly do this. You can also do it using your phone. All you have to do is go to your browser, search for InVideo AI, and then you can do that. So it's actually advisable if you're using the Pro, so that when you're exporting it, it does not have issues when exporting. So you can actually use the Pro. Alright, so this is just how you can actually create your AI videos using InVideo AI. So this is just the simple trick, and like other channels like I've showed you, like Factora and Producta, we just started few days back. Alright guys, so do not forget, hit that subscribe button. Now, do you want to create a YouTube channel, or you have a YouTube channel but you do not know how to set it up? Alright, so I would like you guys to go to the comment section and then drop it there. Do you need me to teach you how you can actually create a YouTube channel perfectly and grow faster? Or do you want to rearrange your YouTube channel? Alright, so just drop it in the comment section if you actually want me to do any of this. But if you're actually good with it, just put in I'm good. But if you need me to drop a video on how you can create a YouTube channel professionally, you can also do well to go down to the comment section and put I need help. Alright guys, so this is just all we're going to take on how you can generate your AI videos. Alright, for some weeks now, you'll notice that AI folktale stories are actually trending so much on YouTube for the past few days, even months. So if you'd like to learn how you can actually create AI folktale stories, you can do also hit this next video. Alright guys, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video.